Welcome to Let's Build a Willys Jeep. This would be a quick video describing how to install the clutch rod. I am now under the Jeep where your clutch rod will be located. The clutch rod will be attached to your clutch release bell crank onto this ear where my finger is into that hole. And the other part of your clutch rod will be connected to your brake and clutch pedal cross shaft onto this ear located right here, and it'll go through that hole. This is what your clutch rod looks like, and it will be installed using 2 cotter pins. So you'll need some needle nose pliers to bend these cotter pins and some multi-purpose grease that you'll put on to these high wear areas on both ends of the rod. Before you install, put some high temperature grease on both these ends. Just give a nice light coating. These are high wear areas. With your clutch rod greased, place your rod into the ears facing this direction, with the cotter pin facing towards the frame. Push it in, and now we will push on the other side. Now with your other side of your clutch rod, put it into the other ear. Now insert your cotter pins. Now drop your cotter pin into your clutch release bell crank. Install the other cotter pin into your brake and clutch pedal cross shaft, and just push down your cotter pin. Now use some needle nose pliers, bend the ears up on your cotter pins, and that is how you install your clutch rod. It's a very easy install, but very critical piece to make your whole entire clutch assembly work. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.